Hello, and welcome to this guide on using the CyMo Pro Indicators, your new tool for enhanced trading insights. CyMo Pro, short for Cyclic Momentum, combines two powerful components, the Cyclic and the Momentum, designed to work in tandem to maximize your trading effectiveness. On your display, you'll notice two lines. The cyan line represents the cyclic component, helping you identify market cycles and their potential turning points, while the yellow line illustrates the momentum component, crucial for understanding follow-through momentum, which can indicate the strength of market movements. CyMo Pro is versatile, with settings of 9, 11, 13, and 14, allowing you to tune the indicators to your trading style. Settings 9 and 11 increase responsiveness, ideal for traders who prefer a quicker read on market changes. Setting 13 offers a balanced approach, providing a good mix of signal clarity and responsiveness. Setting 14 slows down the indicator, suitable for those who need more confirmation before making a trade decision. Engineered primarily for the E-micro and E-mini indices, CyMo Pro excels on a 15-minute time frame. While optimized for the E-mini S&P and E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures, you can experiment with it on various symbols and time frames to see what best suits your approach. Begin by setting up your charts with the CyMo Pro indicators and adjusting the settings based on your preferred responsiveness and trading style. Pay close attention to zero crossings of the cyan and yellow lines. These crossings can signal potential buy or sell opportunities, helping you make informed trading decisions. Apply the indicator in real-time trading to assess its effectiveness and tweak settings as needed to align with market conditions and your trading objectives. Let's dive into our detailed analysis of using the CyMo Pro indicator with a responsive setting of 9 to understand the indicator's utility in real-time market conditions. Starting the day by reviewing the previous market close, observe that the cyclic component, cyan line, had dipped below the momentum component, yellow line, both trending downwards, suggesting a potential short entry at the market's open, indicative of a bearish move. As the day progresses, note how the momentum reaches the -1 mark by approximately 10:30 a.m. and maintains this level, signifying a strong, persistent downtrend. Despite the cyclic component crossing back over the zero line, the maintained intensity of the momentum indicates that this was merely market noise rather than a reversal point. By 12:45 p.m., the cyclic component indicates a turning point as it approaches the zero line again, suggesting a potential trade to the upside. This slinky trade setup, where the cyclic prepares to cross zero with momentum beginning to rise, was observed to result in a profitable outcome in this instance, closing around 2 p.m. Continuing the analysis, the cyclic component completes an about face, crossing under the zero line, with momentum also turning downward, signaling another trading opportunity, this time to the downside, concluding at 3 p.m. This day's trading showcases how the CyMo Pro indicator, with a setting of 9, adeptly captures rapid cyclical movements in the market. By paying close attention to the behavior of both the cyclic and momentum components, especially during zero crossings and follow-through moments, traders can effectively time their entries and exits to maximize profitability. Continuing to day 2 of our trading analysis. Today, we're demonstrating the versatility of the CyMo Pro indicator by comparing its performance across two different settings, a responsive setting of 9 and a slower setting of 14. Let's delve into the specific scenarios to understand how each setting impacts trade decision-making. Starting at 10 a.m., observe the cyclic component, cyan line crossing under the momentum line, yellow, approaching the zero line. This moment marks a potential entry point for a short signal as the cyclic continues its downward trajectory. However, when it touches the momentum line again, it suggests a reversal, indicating a possible long position as it moves upwards. Notice the momentum's behavior here. It shows follow-through to the upside, signaling not to take a short trade when the cyclic crosses the zero line. Instead, the ideal long entry is when the cyclic component crosses above the zero line again. Subsequently, as momentum begins to fall and the cyclic crosses below zero, it indicates a shift to a short position, capitalizing on the downward momentum until the cyclic aligns with the momentum line once more. Switching to setting 14, the dynamic changes significantly. Early trades shown in setting 9 would not be considered because the momentum is rising while the cyclic is descending. However, when both lines meet at the zero line, it signals a robust entry for a long trade, maintained until the cyclic component crosses below the zero line again, marking a clear exit point or a switch to a short trade as the momentum begins to decline. This scenario illustrates how the slower setting of 14 provides a more conservative approach, avoiding the more frequent trades seen with setting 9 and focusing on substantial, clear-cut movements that follow through significantly. Today's session highlights how the CyMo Pro Indicators' different settings can suit various trading styles. Setting 9 is ideal for traders who prefer to capture quick, frequent opportunities and can manage the associated risks. In contrast, setting 14 suits those looking for fewer, more defined entries and exits, emphasizing follow-through and avoiding potential false signals. Moving on to Day 3. Today, we continue our exploration of the CyMo Pro Indicators, focusing on a balanced setting of 13. This setting provides an optimal blend of responsiveness and signal clarity, ideal for traders looking for a steady approach to market entries and exits. Let's examine the trading activities at specific points throughout the day to understand the efficacy of this setting. Kicking off at 9:45 a.m., both the cyclic component, cyan line, and the momentum, yellow line, crossed above the zero line almost simultaneously, serving as a strong buy signal. Traders could have confidently entered a long position here, riding the upward momentum. Exiting this trade could be optimally timed at the point where the cyclic component dips back under the momentum line, securing a nice win from the morning's activity. As the day progresses, observe a critical point where the cyclic component dips below the zero line. While it might seem like a signal to exit or switch positions, it's essential to recognize this movement as market noise rather than a true trend reversal, given the absence of corresponding momentum decline. A subsequent significant opportunity presents itself when the cyclic component once again crosses over the zero line, with momentum on the rise at the exact moment of the crossing. This alignment indicates a robust buy signal, allowing traders to capitalize on the increasing momentum, likely ending the day on a strong, profitable note. The comparison between settings 11 and 13 on this third day of trading with the CyMo Pro Indicators illustrates the versatility and adaptability of the tool. Setting 11, with its quicker responsiveness, suits traders looking to capitalize on immediate market movements, while setting 13 provides a steadier, more measured approach, suitable for those preferring clarity over speed. By understanding and adjusting these settings, traders can effectively tailor the CyMo Pro Indicators to their personal trading approach and market conditions, enhancing both their performance and confidence in executing trades. Today's session also underscores the advantages of using a balanced setting like 13 on the CyMo Pro Indicators. It strikes the right balance between detecting rapid market changes and filtering out mere noise, providing clear and actionable signals for entering and exiting trades. This setting is particularly useful for those who seek a moderate pace in trading, enabling them to make well-informed decisions without the stress of extremely volatile market moves. But the choice is up to each trader. Let's move on to Day 4, where a setting of 11 is applied. At 9:45 a.m., both the cyclic, cyan line, and momentum, yellow line components crossed the zero line. Shortly after, the cyclic component crossed under the momentum, signaling a robust short setup. This is an essential cue for traders looking to capitalize on downward market movements. Engaging in this short trade, you would have followed the cyclic component down, staying in the trade until it crossed over the momentum line, marking an optimal exit and concluding a successful short trade. Following the exit from the short trade, observe the cyclic component crossing back over the zero line, accompanied by a noticeable kink in the momentum towards the upside. This change suggests that the momentum had reached its lowest point and was beginning to ascend. Entering a long trade at this juncture could have resulted in a substantial win, riding the momentum upward until around 2 p.m., where another ideal exit point presents itself with the cyclic nearing or crossing another key line. The CyMo Pro Indicators with a setting of 11 provides traders with precise and timely signals, making it a valuable tool for navigating daily market movements. By closely watching momentum and cyclic crossings, traders can make informed decisions, maximizing their trading opportunities. The CyMo Pro Indicators are sophisticated tools designed to enhance your trading by providing deeper insights into market cycles and momentum. Experiment with different settings and apply it to your targeted indices to fully leverage its capabilities. That's all for now. Thank you for following along, and happy trading.